year 2020. Lumabas ang mga modern day heroes. Sila'y nakamaskara. Sabon at alkohol ang kanilang sandata. Sila'y nasa front lines upang tayo'y maprotektahan laban sa kalabang virus, ang COVID-19. Pero sa October 5, 2020, panahon na upang tayo'y makiisa. Kunin na ang lumang kumot at gawin itong kapa. Kikilalanin tayo bilang Edu Squad. Lahat tayo, mga mag-aaral, mga guro, mga magulang, mga volunteers, mga barangay officials. Tulong-tulong, sama-sama. Let us all empower our minds amidst this pandemic. Together, let us learn and prepare for the future. Kaya naman, iba yung paghahanda ang kailangan. Gisingin nating muli ang ating mga kaisipan. It's flashback time! Naalala niyo pa ba? Polynomials? Polynomials are algebraic expressions which consist of variables and constants. Padaliin natin. Polynomials. Ibig sabihin ng poly, madami. Ibig sabihin ng nomials, terms. Polynomials, many terms. But what is a term? A term may be a constant. Simply put, pwede siya kahit anong number. Kasama na rito ang mga fractions. A term can be a variable or variables. So, katulad nito, variable y o pwedeng ab. Kung meron naman siyang exponent, isa rin siyang term, just like z squared. A term can also be a product of a constant and a variable. Tandaan natin na kapag nagsusulat tayo ng product, we don't use any more sign. Kaya, ipagtatabi lang natin siya. Just like this one, 5c3. Sa pagkakataong ito, ang 5 ay tinatawag nating numerical coefficient. May mga bawal. Bawal ang variable with a negative exponent. Bawal din ang variable sa denominator. Kaya sa cases tulad nito, m raised to negative 4 at 1 over y, big X, hindi sila considered as terms. Dito rin, a and b raised to the negative 2 and s over 5 times t. Pareho silang hindi term. How about this one? B over 6. We can rewrite b over 6 as 1/6 times b. Ibig sabihin, ang 1/6 dito ay constant at b ang ating variable. Wala naman tayong negative exponent at wala naman tayong variable sa denominator. Therefore, this is an example of a term. Let's take this one. 5x squared plus x minus 11. This is a polynomial with 3 terms. This is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. So, anong mapapansin natin? The terms are separated by a plus or a minus. O, ayan. May clue na kayo ha, para madali niyong malaman at ma-isolate ang mga terms. We have code names. 3 terms, trinomial. 2 terms, binomial. At 1 term, monomial. Let's look at that again. We have this example. 9v squared plus 4. This is a polynomial. Wala tayong negative exponent at wala rin tayong variable sa denominator. This polynomial has 2 terms. Therefore, we can call it a binomial. 9 in this case is the numerical coefficient of v squared. Malinaw ba? Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. If you have any further questions, you can ask your mighty math teachers. And of course, stay tuned for our next mathematical adventure. Napakarami pa natin kailangang i-prepare for our grade 8 learning journey. Kaya inaasahan namin kayo. Magtulungan tayo. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!